Tom, I have a secret, but you have to promise not to tell anyone.
Is it about the coffee machine, Anna? I knew it was you.
No, not the coffee machine. It's about your email. I read the one you sent to the team this morning.
Oh, you liked it. I worked hard on it. The grammar was perfect. The structure was beautiful. It was flawless.
That's the problem, Tom. It was too perfect. It sounded like it was written by a robot in a cold, dark room. It didn't sound like you.
Wait, you mean everyone knows I used AI to help me?
Tom, it's 2026. Everyone is using AI. But there is a huge trap. If you use AI English, you lose your personality. You lose trust. People think you are lazy, or worse, fake.
Oh no, I thought perfect English would make me look smart. Now I just look like a bot. Help me, Anna. How do I sound human again?
Don't worry, Tom. Today, we are showing you and our amazing English family how to escape the AI English trap. We are going to teach you the human hacks that even the smartest robots don't know yet.
Wow, this might be our most important lesson ever. If you've ever used ChatGPT or Gemini to write an email, you must watch this until the end.
But first, if you want to keep your human personality while learning English, hit that like button.
And subscribe to the Easy English for Beginners channel. We are the only channel teaching you how to speak English for the real world, not the robot world.
Okay, Tom, let's start with the red flags. There are certain words that AI loves to use. In the tech world, we call this AI slop.
Slop, like food for pigs?
Exactly. It's low-quality, generic filler. If you use these words too much, people immediately know you didn't write it.
Okay, give me an example. What's the biggest red flag?
The word delve.
Delve, but that's a good word. It means to go deep into a topic.
It is a good word, but only for Shakespeare. In 2026, no normal human says, let's delve into this project. Only AI says that. Other words include tapestry, vital, commendable, and leverage.
Oh no, I used Tapestry yesterday. I said the project was a tapestry of ideas.
Tom, you aren't a poet from the year 1600. You are a modern professional.
So what should I say instead of delve?
Just say look at or check out. Instead of vital, just say important. Human English is simple. Robot English is fancy. Here's a secret, Tom. Humans are messy. We make small mistakes. We use filler words. We have friction.
Friction? Like when I rub my hands together?
Yes, AI is too smooth. It's like ice. It has no personality. If you want to sound like a native speaker, you need to add a little bit of human friction to your speech.
Give me a human friction phrase, Anna.
Use words like actually, I mean, or to be honest.
But my teacher told me those words are bad grammar because they don't add meaning.
Your teacher was wrong for the year 2026. These words add trust. When you say, to be honest, I think the meeting was a bit long, it sounds like a real thought from a real brain.
Ah, AI never says to be honest because AI doesn't have feelings.
Exactly. Adding these small social lubricants makes you feel like a friend, not a computer program. Tom, if you really want to prove you are human, stop typing.
Stop typing, but how will I communicate? Smoke signals?
No, Tom, voice notes. In 2026, the most native thing you can do is send a 10-second voice note instead of a 5-paragraph email.
But my English isn't perfect. What if I make a mistake in the recording?
That's the point. A small stutter or a in a voice note proves you are a real person. It builds a connection that a perfect AI email can never build.
So sending a voice note that says, hey, just wanted to say thanks for the help today is better than a long email?
100% better. It saves you time and it makes the other person feel like they actually know you.
Okay, Anna, but I still want to use AI to help me learn. Is that okay?
Of course, AI is a great tool, but you have to be the boss. You have to give it human instructions.
Like what?
I usually just say, write an email about a late report.
That is why it sounds like a robot. Try this prompt instead. Write an email about a late report. Use a casual, friendly tone. Use simple words. Use one or two contractions like I'm or don't, and avoid the word delve.
Wow, so I have to tell the AI to act more human?
Yes, you are the director and the AI is the actor. If you don't give it good instructions, it will give you a boring, robotic performance. Here is the final test, Tom. Slang.
Oh, I know slang. I'm cool, right, Anna?
Sure, Tom, but AI is very bad at slang. It uses slang that is 5 years old. It sounds like a grandpa trying to be cool.
Like when my dad says radical.
Exactly. If an AI tries to use no cap or FR for real, it usually puts it in the wrong place in the sentence. It feels cringe.
Cringe, that's a good human word.
Yes, if you want to use modern English, you have to listen to modern people. Listen to podcasts, watch YouTube, and see how real people talk in 2026.
Anna, I feel so much better. I'm going to rewrite that email right now. I'm deleting delve and adding actually.
Good job, Tom. Remember, everyone, English is about connection, not perfection. The most beautiful thing about your English is you.
Your mistakes make you human. Your personality makes you interesting. Don't hide them behind an AI filter.
We hope this video helped you feel more confident in this new digital world. If you found this I mean important, please share it with a friend.
Yes, let's help everyone sound more human. And now for our human challenge.
In the comments below, write one sentence about your day. But here's the rule. You cannot use perfect grammar. Use a human word like honestly or actually.
We want to see your real personalities. We will be replying to all the humans in the comment section today.
Keep practicing, stay human, and we will see you in the next lesson.
Bye bye, real people.
Goodbye!